Let's get moving, exploring with phrasal verbs. Hello there, language learners. Today, we're about to embark on an exciting journey with phrasal verbs related to navigating and exploring new places. We'll learn how to use these versatile expressions to describe various aspects of travel and transportation. So, fasten your seatbelts and let's get moving. First things first, what are phrasal verbs? Phrasal verbs are unique phrases in English that consist of a verb and one or more particles, typically a preposition or an adverb. The meaning of a phrasal verb often goes beyond the individual words that make it up, which can be a little tricky, but don't worry, we'll unravel the mystery together. Let's kick off our journey with some phrasal verbs related to starting a trip. 1. Set out. This phrasal verb means to start a journey. Example: we set out at dawn to beat the traffic. 2. Take off. When a plane leaves the ground and begins its flight. Example: our flight took off on time. 3. Head out. It means to leave a place to go somewhere else. Example: after breakfast, we headed out to explore the city. Once you've started your journey, you'll need to find your way around. Here are some useful phrasal verbs for navigation. 1. Go around. To avoid something by taking a different path. Example: there was a roadblock, so we had to go around. 2. Look around. To explore a place by visually examining it. Example: we looked around the museum for hours. 3. Check out. To visit a place in order to see what it is like. Example: we decided to check out the local farmers market. Every journey has to end sometime. Here are some phrasal verbs you might use when your journey concludes. 1. Wind up. To find yourself in a particular place or situation. Example: we wound up at a beautiful beach. 2. Pull in. When a vehicle arrives and stops at a place. Example: the train pulled in right on time. 3. Get back. To return to a place. Example: we got back from our trip last night. And that's a wrap, folks. Now, you've added several phrasal verbs related to navigating and exploring new places to your English language toolkit. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try to incorporate these phrasal verbs in your daily conversations. We hope this lesson helps you to talk about your future adventures in a more natural and fluent way. Until next time, happy learning and safe travels.